Hello everyone, this is Logan here. I'm in my special puppet palace, which is keeping me busy and entertained while I'm stuck at home these days. I really hope that you are all doing very well, taking care of yourselves, taking care of your friends and your family, and making sure that you wash your hands a lot because that's very important in these times. So I have got a ton of very fun stuff planned to show you how to do on video, and today we're going to start something so incredibly... Is there someone here? I thought I was alone, but there could be someone else in my fort. Oh, it's this Lizzard Girl. This is my friend Lizzard Girl, everyone, and she is a puppet that I made while I was stuck at home using things that I had in my house. Do you want to say hi, Lizzard Girl? She's a little bit shy. Do you want to help me show them what they're going to be building today? It's a puppet. Yeah? Okay. Do you want to get the supplies? Okay. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So this is what we're going to need. It is either half of a paper towel tube roll or a toilet tube roll. That's pretty simple, right? Yeah, nice. All right. And then what are we going to turn that into? We are going to turn that into your very own mini penguin puppet. Because you might be stuck at home and you might be a little lonely and missing your friends. But as every good puppeteer says, who needs friends when you can make your own, right, Lizzard Girl? Exactly. So with a very few simple steps, we're going to be making our own very cute little mini penguin puppets today, and we're going to show you how. Sound good? All right, let's go. You're going to need 3 supplies. You're going to need something to draw with, a paper towel or toilet paper tube roll, and a pair of scissors. Very important that if you're still a beginner with scissors, you get your parents' help because you want to end this craft with all 5 fingers on each hand. Lizzard Girl, where did you go with the scissors? Oh. There we go. Let's get started. Step number 1, we're going to take our paper towel roll and we're going to take our scissors. We're going to take our paper towel roll, we're going to flatten it down a little, get the scissors and cut just about ½ an inch off at the bottom to give us a ring. And this ring is going to look a bit like this. Step number 2, we're going to take the ring we just cut off and using our scissors carefully cut it in half so we have 2 equal-sized pieces of cardboard that will look something like this. Step number 3, we're going to take our paper towel roll and we're going to flatten it a bit to help with cutting, and we're going to give it 2 little snips halfway through on each side. And this is going to create a slit which will help us put our arms in. Step number 4, this is going to require our paper towel roll and the 2 pieces that we cut off from the bottom. What we're going to do is find the slits that we made in our paper towel roll, and we're going to slide those pieces in just like that. And there'll be one on the other side. And we can slide it in just like that. And this is going to give our penguin his flippers. And it'll look something like this. Step number 5. For step number 5, we're going to give our penguin a little bit of a haircut. And we're going to take just one more little ring off the top. So we'll go to the top of the head and we'll cut with our scissors until we get a nice little ring just like this. Step number 6, we're going to take the ring we just cut off, we're going to fold it up so it becomes our penguin's nose. So we'll get it nice and small just like this. Step number 7, we're going to get our penguin. We're going to squeeze him the opposite way of his arms to help give us a little snip right up on the face where the nose is going to go, so we can get a nice little hole there which will help us to put the nose in. Step number 8, we're going to take our penguin, we're going to take our little nose we cut out, we're going to put it right in the hole that we just made so he's got a nose. It's very important to remember that all puppets need a point of focus so we can always tell which way he's looking depending on where his nose is. And he's already starting to come to life. For step number 9, it's time to add some decorations to make our penguin come to life. You can do this with whatever you want. Crayons, pencil crayons, markers, or paint. Whatever you've got lying about. Even construction paper and glue can add some color and character to this penguin. So some features we might want to add are eyes, and I think this penguin's going to have really big, cute eyes. They look a little silly, but the silly puppets are the best. And let's give them 2 big eyebrows, like, And also, our penguins usually are going to have a different color tummy than the rest of their body, so let's give him a nice big tummy circle just like that. And then you can color him in more and add whatever details you want to make him your very own penguin friend. That's it. You've made your very own penguin puppet out of recycled materials that you had around your house, and now you can bring them to life. If you've got a white sheet, you can create a snowy landscape like this, and then all you have to do... Hello. Can we be friends? I think that's a good idea. Okay, let's go. Wait. Yeah? We have to stay 6 feet apart. You're right. Is this good? Yep, that looks good. Let's go. Well, that's it for this week, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in my puppet palace. I hope you come back next week, so there's going to be more videos and even more stuff too. Lizzard Girl, is that you? Did you make your own penguin puppet? Do you want to get it? Oh. It looks great. And we'll see you all next week. Do you want to say bye, Lizzard Girl? See you next week. Oh, I thought you were going to hit the stop playing button. Okay, I can hit the stop. Okay, sorry, just like...